Imagine you have one shopping list and your friend has another. How can you combine both lists in Python with just one symbol? And what if you want to repeat the same list multiple times without writing it again and again? In today's video, you'll learn two powerful Python list operations that every beginner must know. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we learned about list slicing. Today, we'll learn Python list operations. We'll start with two important operations, concatenation and repetition. These operations are very easy but extremely useful in real Python programs. The first operation is concatenation. In the first statement, we have created a list named fruits. It contains three string elements, apple, mango, and banana. Similarly, we created another list named vegetables. This list contains two elements. Now we have two separate lists. This is called concatenation. The plus operator joins two lists together and creates a new list. Notice that the original fruits list is not changed. The original vegetables list is not changed. Python creates a completely new list and stores it in result. The print statement prints the combined list. First come all the elements of fruits, followed by all elements of vegetables. Many people think plus adds numbers inside the list. In this example, the answer isn't 100. Instead, it becomes 10, 20, 30, 40 in a single list, because lists are joined, not mathematically added. In this example, again, Python simply joins both lists into one larger list. Now suppose you want the same list multiple times. Instead of writing it again and again, Python gives us the asterisk operator. We have created a list called number containing two integers, 5 and 10. The asterisk operator repeats the entire list 3 times. It doesn't multiply each number by 3. This is a common beginner mistake. Python simply copies the whole list repeatedly. Python repeats the list 5 times. So far, we have learned how to join lists using plus and repeat lists using asterisk. Now let's learn 3 more operations that you'll use in almost every Python program: in, not in, and len. These help us check whether an item exists in a list and find the total number of elements. First is membership operator in. The in operator checks whether an element is present inside the list. Python searches the list one element at a time. Since mango exists in the list, Python returns true. Remember, true is a Boolean value, not a string. Again, Python searches the list. It reaches the end of the list without finding orange. So, Python returns false. Sometimes we want to check whether an element is not present. For that, Python provides the not in operator. We have created a list named cities. Python checks whether Goa is present. It searches Delhi, no, Mumbai, no, Pune, no. Goa is not found. Since Goa is not in the list, Python prints true. Python immediately finds Delhi. Since Delhi is present, the condition not in becomes false. Therefore, Python prints false. Now suppose your list contains hundreds of elements. Instead of counting manually, Python provides the length function. It tells us the total number of elements in a list. We have created a list named marks. It contains 5 numbers. Len counts how many elements are present in the list. There are 5 numbers in the list, so Python prints 5. So let's quickly recap what we have learned in this video. We learned concatenation, which combines the two lists into a new list. Repetition, which repeats an entire list a specified number of times. The in operator, which checks whether an element exists in a list and returns either true or false. The not in operator, which checks whether an element doesn't exist in a list. And finally, the len function, which returns the total number of elements present in a list. That brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of Python list operations. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming Python tutorials. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding.